I found this piece of wood in my garden. This wood was from walnut, which was trimmed in the autumn. First I have to cut this piece, so I can turning on the lathe. The wood is ready for turning. I turn on this she blade. Turning is a bit more difficult on this machine. After half an hour I made the shape of this vase. Look how it all went. Then I have to cut the hole with a drill because it takes a long time to turn the hole. Subsequently I enlarged and relight the hole, so then I was in the axis of the vase. I sanded the vase with sandpaper to make it smooth. Then I had to growing the vase with soap. Finally I painted the vase with pine oil. And this is a finished vase. Thank you for watching and subscribe.